feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to another video here on my channel. This is going to be a fun, easy summer nail set. I used some button molds in this set. I actually recreated this set to make a full set for myself. And in the set that I made for myself, I did the same base, but I didn't use the button molds. I just used a bunch of different charms. So if you want to see the full set that I made for myself, then you can check out my TikTok. It's like a picture post, so you got to scroll through the pictures. It's like a picture tutorial kind of. The tips that I'm using are the Beetles Tip X, the light ones. So I don't like the normal Beetles Tip X tips, the sculpted ones, because my nail beds aren't sculpted. So I don't really like those ones. So I have the Tip X light ones, and that's what I'm using in this video. This was fully intended it was going to be a full set, but I didn't really like the way the button molds turned out. So that's why I just redid everything and I didn't do the button molds. But like I said, if you want to see that, then go to my TikTok. But this is my first video filming. I haven't filmed before this video. I hadn't filmed anything in like 2 weeks. The Twinkle Tea swatch video that I showed you guys that came out, what was that, Monday? I uploaded that video. That video was filmed a few weeks ago. And then my light went out, my panel light. So I said in a couple videos ago that one of my panel lights, it kept flickering, like it would come on, but it would just flicker in and out, in and out. So I was just using the one panel light. And then while I was filming a subscriber requested nail set, which I did finish that, so that should be coming soon in a few days. I just have to edit it. But while I was filming a subscriber requested nail set, my second panel light, it completely went out. Like it literally sparked in the plug, in the outlet. It sparked, like I seen it spark, a little bit of fire. I immediately unplugged it and I had to get another light because I didn't have any type of lighting in the room I'm in. There is a ceiling light, but it's not enough light to, really light up the desk area where I'm filming. So I got a new overhead light. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront under my filming setup so you can go check it out there. But I bought it off TikTok shop, but it is available on Amazon. TikTok just had coupons, so that's why I got it off TikTok. But yeah, and in case you're wondering about like shopping on TikTok shop, like you're worried about it, a lot of stuff on TikTok shop ship through Amazon. Like I've ordered Gaui off of TikTok shop and it came in an Amazon box. So some brands that are available on Amazon, they will ship, and you buy them on TikTok shop, a lot of times they ship through Amazon. Like your package will come in an Amazon box. Not every single time, but a lot of the brands, your package will just be in an Amazon box. But you just get those discounts that TikTok has. So yeah, I got a new light, and then I put this silicone mat down. It's like a grayish, like a light gray color. You do see shadows, so I'm still working on placement of the light, so bear with me for like the next few videos because I finished the subscriber requested nail set, and I also filmed my Pinterest nails that's going to go up next week. So I have 2 nail videos filmed just in case there's any issues. I have 2 videos filmed and ready to go, so I don't have another like week break because I didn't post a video at all the last week of June. But it's officially summer now, so happy summer, everyone. Let me know what the weather is like. Are you getting hot weather, or has the hot weather already started? We're actually on a heat advisory for the next few days. I think tomorrow, or today and tomorrow. Today is Wednesday. This video is going up today, and I'm also doing the voiceover today. Today is supposed to hit over 100 degrees, and I think tomorrow is supposed to be also over 100 degrees, and that's Fahrenheit. And then it goes into the 90s, I believe, but it is a heat advisory, and they do have cooling stations and things like that for like homeless people and stuff. And if you are in Philly, then you can go downtown where they have like the water fountains and things like that, like the fountains that people like toss coins into and things like, tourists do that. They let people go into those fountains, especially when it's like really hot outside. I don't know if you're allowed in those fountains on like a regular day, but when it's super hot, no one is telling you, get out or whatever. I've never been in those fountains before, but yeah. But I hope everyone is staying cool. If you live in an area where, or you know, a country where they have air conditioning, I hope you have air conditioning, and or your job at least has it. If you're at work, hope you're not hot at work, and you know, you're very comfortable. And yeah, just let me know what the weather is like where you are in the world. Also, if you wanted to get Korean polishes, but maybe you didn't want to buy off the Saracen, or you don't understand the website or something like that, then Sweetie Nail Supply is doing their summer sale. It's 25% off. I think today it's just open for like people who are subscribed to their emails, so they can shop today, and I believe maybe tomorrow or the next day then it's open for the public. But it's 25% off, and I only buy off of Sweetie Nail Supply if it's 25 or 30% off, because then the prices, they more closely related to what you can get on the Saracen. But I did buy some Divock, but that was it. I just needed the Summer 1 collection from Divock because I already have 2 and 3, so that is all I got. I honestly don't need more polishes. I say that as I do have another swatch video coming out for Chez Jailly polishes, but I've had these polishes for a long time. I just haven't swatched them. I've been waiting for them to come in the mail, and Temu takes forever if you're not ordering from a local warehouse. This weekend is the 4th of July, so if you celebrate the 4th of July, let me know what you're doing. I'm not doing anything, but as someone who is in Philly, where the Declaration of Independence was signed, and it is America's 250th birthday, you can't imagine, or maybe you can imagine, the celebrations and all of that stuff that's happening in the city. So it's a lot. It's so much that on Thursday, which is tomorrow, my job is actually offering people to telework. So they're like, you can work from home because of how much traffic there's going to be. They don't want people to have to, you know, sit in traffic either coming to work or going home from work. So they're letting people work from home if they want to. But yeah, Philly always has a really big fireworks show, I guess, as they should, since, you know, this is where the Declaration of Independence was signed. So there's always a huge fireworks show. I think I've probably only been maybe a handful of times. I haven't been as an adult. It's too many people. It's way too many people. And this year there's going to be even more because it is America's 250th birthday. There's so many people who decorated their front lawns. Like my neighborhood, they really don't decorate for 4th of July. Like people have like American flags out all year round, but they really don't decorate for like the 4th. But it's like it's Christmas or Halloween with the way people's lawns are decorated with like American eagles and all kinds of stuff like that, just because it's, you know, the 250th birthday. But yeah, if you're doing anything, let me know what you're doing. Like I said, I will be home. I will be home sitting in front of the TV. One of my coworkers recommended a few shows. She recommended, I think it's called The Polygamist. It's on Netflix. She said it was really good. So she said it was like 20 episodes. So I think I might start that. And I don't know if it's a documentary or what. Like, is it based off real life events? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to research it and look it up before I actually go and watch it. Let me know what you're watching or what you're into these days. The subscriber requested nail set that I have that's coming out soon is actually based off of a TV show, a cartoon, and it is available on Amazon Prime. So I have been watching it. It's like a kid's show, or maybe, I don't know, maybe like a preteen show, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. But we are coming to the end of the video here soon, so I just want to let you guys know to look out for the Chez Jailly polish haul, and then I have a very small collective haul. Also, I have another haul with the items that I got for Amazon Prime Day, but only half that stuff is nail stuff. The other stuff is not nails anything, but I do share the whole haul with you all. So the 2 Temu hauls, the collective haul and the Chez Jailly haul. The Chez Jailly haul is just all Temu. The collective haul is mostly Temu, but it's other stuff from like small businesses and Amazon. I've been collecting this stuff for like the last 2 months, so I haven't just placed like a huge order or nothing like that recently. It's been over like 2 or 2.5 months. I just wanted to share with you guys what I've purchased the last, 3 months or so. And after these haul videos, these next 3 hauls that I have for you, I don't know when the next time I will have another haul, because I think I'm going to go on a low buy, because before you know it, it'll be Christmas. Oh, also, I forgot to say this, Not Polished right now is 30% off for the 4th of July sale. I don't know how long the sale's lasting, but it's 30% off. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this nail set. I do really like the nail set. I just wish I didn't do the black dots inside of the buttons. I think that's what threw me off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hype, hit all the buttons, and I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next one. Bye guys.
Few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.